how to boot iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. Okay, first turn on your computer and connect your iPhone to a Mac computer or to a Windows computer using the USB cable. So it can be a Lightning or USB-C cable. Once it is connected and you have iTunes open on your Windows computer or your Mac computer, you want to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button for 10 seconds. Or when you see the black screen, and then continue to hold for 10 seconds. So let's do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. So continue to hold. When you see the screen goes black, continue holding the side button for about 10 seconds, then release it. So we're just going to wait. Now around 10 seconds, release it, and then press and hold on the volume down buttons for another 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, let go of the buttons, and then we go to the computer. So on the computer here, it detects my phone. I'm just going to click on cancel. And here you can see it shows iPhone recovery mode. Here the iPhone is in recovery mode. Okay, my iPhone is currently running iOS version 26, and this is the iPhone 17 Pro. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.